imagination. We're using it right now to escape the situation. Because when you're a kid, you dream of many things, like being a ninja dentist or a wizard cop with wings. We can fight a shark barricade with a sword made of swords, be the best at everything and win awesomeness awards. See an underwater castle in the SeaWorld's made of crystal, saving mermaids from shark people using golden laser pistols. Under the universe in our power spaceship, go back in time and teach cavemen how to kick flip. Don't need to worry about our future plans in college. Superpowers, robot arms, that's a substitute for knowledge. It's okay for me to dream that I'm a cowboy from the west, and for me to keep hoping that there's still a chance to grow.
Chest.